Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm happy to show you around this 3008 SUV in the GT line specification. So this car comes with full LED headlights, there's a black roof, 18-inch alloy wheels, you get tinted rear windows, front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got half leather interior. The touchscreen features sat-nav, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. Some great safety features including lane keeping assistance, there's blind spot detection and speed limit recognition. And on top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers, cruise control and also a smartphone charging plate. So let's have a look around. This car has the 2-litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 150 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox. It's done under 16,000 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.